Okay, we're going to do some more trigonometry here. When you're looking at this and you're just seeing all these x and x and x and angles and you're supposed to simplify this, ooh, hey, you have to know that it's more reduction. And you know what? It's even easier in a lot of ways because you don't have to figure out the reference angle. It's just x. So this is going to be cos x, sin x, cos x. It's just the problem is what's the sine? And where is it? Well, the L stations to Cape Town gives you this thing right here. And if you see 180 minus x or theta, it's in the second quadrant. 180 plus, you're bending out, that's the third. 360 minus, you bend down, or minus theta, it's the fourth. And 360 plus, it's the first. If you know where it is, you can just write down the answers. Gee, it's actually easier. The cosine of 180 minus x, well, cosine's negative there, so you get a mark just for writing minus cos x. Well, the sine of 360 plus x is just the first quadrant, so it just must be sine x, and that's it. The cosine of minus x, well, you're down here. Well, cosine's positive there, so it's positive cos x. Well, there you go. And you're thinking, well, gee, I'm almost finished here. Cos x divided by cos x, that just cancels and equals 1. And then our most basic trig identity, sine over cosine is equal to tan x. Those guys cancel, and I get tan x, but one negative sits there, so the answer is negative tan x. So just learn where these things are, and you just write down the reference angle, which is x. So sine x, it's so easy. Sometimes you get a cos, if you see 90 degrees, remember, if you see the cosine of 90 minus x, you got to switch it to sine x, that's all. When you see that 90, you got to switch, and cosine of 90 plus is the only one that's weird, it's minus sine x. So, there you go. I think if you can do this stuff, you're going to get a lot of marks.